Hey everybody, let's make a super easy, delicious eggplant pasta. You can whip this up in 30 minutes, feed a whole family with only like a key few ingredients, and I'm really excited to share it with you. So let's get to it. To start, we're gonna dice aubergines and add salt and black pepper and a drizzle of olive oil. You don't have to let the water release from the aubergine in this case. Just mix it all up with a spoon, add it to a baking tray with parchment paper or baking mat, and bake at 425 Fahrenheit for 20 to 25 minutes until nicely soft and charred. For the sauce, we're going to add some onion and garlic cloves to a medium saucepan and covering it and adding water to cook. Add 2 tablespoons of tomato paste for umami and 2 to 3 cups of your favorite dry red wine. I love a Cabernet in this sauce. Let everything start to simmer and get your pasta water going. Once it's boiling, add a pound of your favorite bean-based pasta. I like red lentil pasta or chickpea pasta, up to you. Add 2 cans of diced tomatoes and some tomato passata, which is kind of like a sauce of tomatoes, and a variety of spices that I will leave all in the description for you. Your typical spices: Italian seasoning, oregano, basil. And once the sauce is nice and thick, we're going to add our eggplant and let it reduce and cook for about 20 to 30 minutes. I made a really quick vegan parmesan in the blender. It's my favorite way to make it, with just a touch of nori for natural saltiness. And serve up the pasta in a dish with your favorite toppings. You can use store-bought vegan cheese or the vegan cheese recipe I just provided, and enjoy. This is one of my favorite simple pasta recipes to go to, and it's high protein if you add that bean-based pasta, so enjoy. If you like this content, be sure to subscribe to the channel. That's the best way to support the recipes and the content. It would mean the world to me. See you next Friday.